Hey friends, I'm Yash and today we are kicking off a new series called MedTech Annals. The goal of this series will be to capture and assimilate some of the key aspects, learnings, and nuances in the medtech industry. Timestamps to this relatively short video are in the video description, so do feel free to skip around. When you're dealing with an industry as massive and as consequential as the medtech industry, it's kind of hard to understand where to begin. So let's start from the basics. What is the medtech industry? By definition, the medical or health technologies industry deals with the technology used throughout the patient care journey, from the time someone does not even know they are a patient to diagnosis, treatment, care, and eventually prevention. Ultimately, the medtech industry is built by businesses, and in an industry which controls and deals with so many different levels and aspects of care, it's hard to determine their exact sources of revenue. In the medtech industry, there are two key players which come into play: the private and public sectors, with the public sector spending most in the industry. Throughout the healthcare journey, the end users, a majority of whom are hospitals and clinics, are called payers, individuals or entities which derive value from the medical technology when used. So, why do I feel comfortable talking about the medical technologies or medtech industry now? Well, it's no surprise that the knowledge of medical technologies has increased in the past 2 years. More crucially, during the COVID era, health literacy has seen a huge spike amongst us common folks. As a very simple example, most of us know the difference between a PCR and LFT COVID test and which one is more accurate or faster. Vaccines, their efficacies, and inter-business collaboration to make those vaccines possible have become a common topic of discussion around the dinner table. All of this is ultimately an effort to enable the payer to make an informed and beneficial healthcare decision, if said in simple jargon, a health economic decision. So what will this series try and assimilate? Well, I have gathered a lot of information from industry leaders, CEOs, experts, and have merged it with data and information from various sources including APAC Med, McKinsey, Statistica, etc. to build a one-of-a-kind series here on YouTube that provide a nuanced and evidence-based approach to the medtech industry. To be a bit more precise, each video in this series can be categorized into one of three categories. Number 1, providing, accessing, and regulating healthcare. 2, building a startup and the future. And number 3, digital and cyber securities. Each of these three categories will have 2 or 3 videos within them, and I'll try and deep dive into several nuances of each segment. I've never really seen anyone do a series like this on YouTube, and to complement it, all the videos will be transcribed and uploaded as an article on my blog, which will be linked on the screen right now. FYI, if you want to check out some of my other work that I've done on my blog, you can from the link in the video description and in the pinned comment. To summarize everything and give a clear value proposition to the series, the entire MedTech Annals will focus on answering 3 prime questions. Number 1, how our healthcare systems can be more resistant to sudden and adverse change. Number 2, how value-based pricing and reimbursement decision making is shaping patient access to the healthcare industry. And lastly, number 3, how can the medtech sector improve the quality of care while reducing the number of hoops and loops a patient needs to jump through simply in order to get quality, affordable, and timely healthcare. What goes unsaid in every video, conference, or academic paper on the medtech industry is that the healthcare industry is an unparalleled crisis, where a growing population and growing aging population is left without timely, affordable, and quality access to healthcare. Though the series does not aim to solve this unparalleled crisis, my personal expectation from this series is to be able to shed light on the medtech industry, the work it has been doing, and how we can improve further on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the first episode of MedTech Annals, Humanizing Healthcare and Treatment Environments.